In this, I have created one power sector SIP. You can see, let's see the number of stocks it has: Tata Power, Adani, CSE, Power Grid, NTPC, JSW. So these are the stocks that I created. Minimum investment amount is 6,092, and we can invest from here. So this kind of stock and SIP I have created for power sector, considering power sector will get some boom from here on. So already it is giving me 5% return. I have invested some time back. Now I wanted to invest more. So here what I am doing is I am clicking on invest more. So it will connect with my respective account. So I have linked it with my Angel Broking account. So what I am saying, confirm this. So once I confirm this, you can see it has triggered all the buy orders for these many stocks for amount of 6,081. And if we cross check it with our Angel account, so here we should see all the positions. Let me check if it has executed any orders. No, not yet executed. Let's check the what happened over here. Let's see and then invest more is connecting with Angel Broking. Complete your transaction before the session expires. Okay, confirm amount. So it is saying buy. So confirm order. So I have to click on confirm order. So now you can see placing my order, and you can see all my orders got placed. So let's complete this. All orders have been filled. So investing is done. Let's look at the Angel Broking site now. Yeah, you can see all delivery executed: 5 NTPC, Power Grid 4, REC 3. So these are the stocks which they bought us on behalf of me. So let's look at the positions. We can see in positions all the stocks got added. So Torrent Power, this Tata Power, everything got executed. So this SIP I have created basically for power sector stocks. You can see those are there in my portfolio as well, giving me today little bit a gain of 100 rupees. But yeah, this is how we can invest through our small case. We need to link this small case account with our existing broker. So I have linked it with Angel Broking. You can link it with Zerodha or Upstock or anything you want. And this is how we execute our orders. Yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, today these many stocks got bought. Yeah, thank you.